Hi, I'm back again. I just wanted to give you a view of what my model table looks like when I'm in the middle of a build. So I have the main cutting mat here, underneath all these decals. Main cutting mat. I have the tools I use, the Q-tips, the paper towel and the toilet paper for decals. And you've already seen that box. But this is the model kit that's really in progress right now. Oh, well, it would help if you see the box. There you go. That is the old AMT. I believe it's 2009 Cadet Series Motion Picture Pack. So it has the original Series Enterprise, it has an Enterprise B 2500 scale, and it has the refit. So I have a lot of decals here. I have the Aqua Enterprise B decals. So that's would be, say, for the 23rd century. And then I have the other decals underneath for the 2500 scale Enterprise. The refit, you can see the green, but what I did is I built this one as the Enterprise A, and you can see the blue trim I got from it. But there's also, on this one, there is blue trim Excelsior decals. You can't see them here, but they're in the box. Oh no, they're on the other side of this, I think. Oh no, there they are. They're underneath everything. That's why I couldn't see them. There you go. Accurate models. Excelsior decals, but you see how everything is the blue trim. And since I'm experimenting with this, it's my first time building it, I did the blue background trim. So I did the pearl white over the light gray. Did the impulse engines already. Focus. Focus. Well, there you go. You can see it from further on. And then there's the grid lines. Now that any bit of spray paint that's like that would be covered up by the top saucer decals anyway, so you won't see it. But you can see you have the blue highlighting and everything. But you see how these decals just have stuff for the top, and then you have separate black and red striping? Not sure why the camera keeps cutting out, but anyway, you see the Absolute Models nacelle decals, they come in at least 2 pieces. But the decals that came with the model kit actually come all in one piece with, that would help if they weren't upside down, with the integrated registry numbers for the Enterprise B. You can see it there. Focused. And it has Aztec decals as well. So I'll just pick the best and use it for that one. And then when the ship is done, you can see the original Enterprise here. So what I did is I spray painted it the light gray, and then I detail painted everything else, and used a little stand for it. Now this one, if you zoom in closely enough, slowly enough, you'll see it all has the raised windows. So I don't think I have any window decals. I'll have to use the white for that. But you can see how I did the back of the nacelles with the white or a silver, and I tried to make it accurate to the Smithsonian model as much as I could, but it does have a nasty seam down there. A 2500 scale does have a lot of seams in it, but this is just experimenting at this scale. I'm not trying to make it perfect. I'm just trying to make sure I can build one in this scale, and then I can move on after that. But that's about all I have to show you, is everything I could think of. And next video I post, I'll be building, or at least decaling now, because as you can see, even on the Enterprise B, I put the steel on the front of the neck, and because I'm doing it blue, not aqua, I did the blue for those, I don't know if those are airlocks or what they are, because if you look closely in the white, you can see the dimple where the torpedoes come out, so that's not torpedo launchers. Yeah, so the next time I do a video, you'll probably see me having done some decals on the ship. Anyway, that's about all for now. I did turn this ship over, the 537 Enterprise. I turned it over yesterday. I have a very short stand for it, but I did turn it over. The saucer stayed on the neck didn't come loose, nothing shifted. But because I'm just paranoid, because the saucer has a lot of weight, even though I moved the stand hole from here, I moved it forward. Now, before the neck was attached, the weight of the nacelles and the struts made the model tip backwards. But with the saucer in place, it'll be perfectly balanced. But I think when I build the other 537 refit, the one that has pearlescent Aztec decals and not just pearlescent on the panels, I will put the hole in between the two. And I can use my hand pin vise to create that hole. So I bought these at the Warhammer store. But anyway, that's about all I've got for now. And I'll come back when I've built more. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.